Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. In our today's video, we are going to solve the second question of exercise 4.5. Draw the following in which a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 cm and 6.4 cm. In solution, first we write given measurements are D1 equal to 5.2 cm and D2 equal to 6.4 cm. D1 and D2 are the diagonals. First, we are going to draw the rough figure. In this figure, first we draw the D1, that is 5.2 centimeter. It is our D1. After this, first we draw the perpendicular bisector of 5.2 centimeter. For this, we are taking the more than half of 5.2 centimeter. Here we are taking approx, so from this point to this it is more than half, so we open our rounder this much from this point to this point, and then from this point first we draw one arc on upper side and one arc on downward side. At the downward, one arc from this point. With the same measurement from this point we draw one arc on upper side with the help of rounder and one arc on downward side from this part. After that we join the intersecting point of these two. It is our perpendicular bisector. Then we take half of 6.4 centimeter, that is 3.2 centimeter, and then we open our rounder 3.2, and from this point intersecting point O of perpendicular bisector of 5.2 centimeter, it is 5.2 centimeter, and we draw one arc here 3.2 and one arc here from this point like this, and then we join this intersecting point with this with this with this, and this with this. In this figure, because it is a rough figure, so the measurements are not proper. That's why it looks smaller and it looks bigger. But when you take the proper measurements, your figure is look like same on the upward and downward both. Now we are going to draw the final figure for this rhombus. We are going to draw the final figure. Steps of construction. Step A, draw AC equal to 5.2 centimeter. So first we draw AC equal to 5.2 centimeter. This 5.2 centimeter, and this point is A, this point is C, and draw perpendicular bisector of AC. This is AC, this is 5.2. For drawing a perpendicular bisector, we taking more than half of this, so more than half is half of this is approximate 3 we take, and then we draw one arc from this side from point A, one arc on this side from point A, then from point C draw one arc here, one here, then we join these two intersecting points. This is the perpendicular bisector of 5.2 centimeter. It divides AC in two parts, and each part is having the same length, that is 2.6 centimeter. Now bisected midpoint O, therefore get half of 6.4 centimeter, that is 3.2 centimeter. Now the next point, draw two arcs on both sides of AC of radius 3.2 centimeter from intersection point O. This is intersection point and this is called O. Now we take now we open our rounder 3.2 centimeter. It is just half of this 6.2 centimeter. It is our D2, and from point O we draw one arc here and one here. It is 3.2 centimeter on this side, 3.2 centimeter on this side. Now we join A with this point. This is called B, and then B with C, D. It is our D point, and D with A. It is our required join AB, BC, CD and D. This is our C point, and it is required rhombus ABCD. This is ABCD, required rhombus.